Hello and welcome to the new video. If this is your first time here, my name is Hannah. Welcome or welcome back. Today I will be painting my friend's food truck. Hi, I hope you are well. I have just finished drawing my friend's food truck. I have a friend at work and his wife runs a waffle business, and recently they acquired this funky looking van and they use it to sell their waffles when they go to places. And I offered to paint this food truck, this waffle truck, because I thought it was such a cool idea and the truck was literally so cute, and I volunteered to do this drawing for him. So I have just finished. I have mounted it. This is what it looks like. I have recorded a time lapse of the process of this drawing. This started in a sketchbook, and this is what I usually do. I have this a rough sketchbook where I draw out my ideas for the drawings, for paintings, and this is what I did. So it started with this little sketch, and then the idea was transferred to watercolor paper, and we ended up with this. I'm just in a process of packing it away for him. Hopefully I'll see him at work tomorrow. I'll be able to give it to him, but this is all done. If it's something that you enjoy watching, I invite you to watch this time lapse. I'm not going to be talking during this time lapse. It's just going to be my process of drawing, inking and painting and finishing this illustration. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content from me, and hopefully I will see you next time. And for now, enjoy the time lapse.
Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, and I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind, no longer my man. You're just a dressed in moonlight, I whisper your name, can't get any sleep. Smoking cigarette after cigarette, I watch them burn until I forget we're through. Baby, tell me what to do. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. No, stuck in a store.